Look at all these colorful eggs. Red, yellow, blue, green, they're ready to play. And guess what? Today they'll learn shapes too. Red egg rolls and finds a circle, surrounded smooth. Circle like a ball, bounce, bounce, bounce. Circle is fun, and red is bright, is bright. Yellow egg looks up and sees a shining star. Twinkle, twinkle, a star has 5 shiny points. Yellow like the sun, bright and full of light. Blue egg stacks blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a square. Square has 4 equal sides, so neat and strong. Blue is cool just like the sky. Wheat egg slides down a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides pointing at the top. Green like the grass where we play. Purple egg picks a brush and draws a heart. Hearts mean love, so kind and sweet. Purple is pretty like magic treat. Circle, star, square, triangle, and heart. We learned them all, and all the colors too. Red, yellow, blue, green, purple. What a fun day with our egg friends. Let's clap and smile.